going to show you how you can install MongoDB in your Mac operating system alongside with MongoDB Compass. Come with me, let me show you on how you can get started. The first thing you need to do is to search on your Google Chrome Mongo on Mac. So when you search this on your Google terminal, on your terminal and hit enter. In my case, I've already installed this, so I'm not going to install it again. I'm not going to installing this. When you are done installing this, then you proceed to the next steps. The next one is to install this. Go to your terminal and paste it on your terminal and run it. In my case, I've already installed this, so you can follow this process. It's very simple, just as simple as that. You've already installed MongoDB in your Mac operating system. The second thing you will do is to MongoDB Compass. Install MongoDB Compass on Mac. So if you search for DB Compass, is a free tool, is a free interactive tool for querying and optimizing and analyzing your MongoDB data. It helps you to create your database easily by manage your data and so on and so forth. I'm using Mac, so I'll scroll down, I'll hit on this download page. If I click it, so I'm going to download the DMG file. If I download the DMG file, I'll go ahead and move it to my application and install it. That is as simple as that to get started with your MongoDB installation and Compass. Thank you guys for watching. If you consider this helpful, please turn on the bell notification so that you can get notified each time we post interesting videos like this. Thank you for coming by. God bless you.